Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new and just joining us, my name is Jade. I make makeup videos and things like that here on YouTube. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then just keep on watching and subscribe down below to become part of my little family. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Makeup Revolution X Friends Series 2 collection, which they kindly offered to send me, which was like a huge achievement for me because this is like the biggest company that's reached out to me. So I was super excited when I received the email because Makeup Revolution is actually one of the first brands I started using as a makeup artist. So yeah, it was a huge moment for me, which I couldn't be any more excited about. So if you guys want to see all the bits and bobs from this collection, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just going to get started with a little leaflet thing that I got sent with the collection. So first off we have two of it's a lip mask lip scrub. I don't know if you guys can see that. I've actually already used this and it is honestly my new favourite. So if there's anything from the collection that you guys need, I'd definitely say one of the lip. If you're going to get one of the lip pots, definitely get the lip mask because it's literally my favourite. I've been wearing it every night to bed and it only retails for £5, which is like super good because you get so much in it. You actually get 12 grams of product, which is a lot. I'm pretty sure the lip mask would last you a while. I mean, I've used it about 10 times already and it doesn't even look like I've used any of it. So yeah, I totally recommend that. I've just put some on before we do the eyes and things. So then I'm going to move on to they kindly also sent over the body butter. It smells kind of like coconut. I've used this once already as well and I actually really enjoy it. This also retails for £8, so that's a good price for a body butter. And you're getting 220 grams, which is a lot of product. So it just smells incredible. If you like coconut scents, especially in body butters, then you will love this. Then the last kind of like skin pamper bits are these bath fizzers that they came out with. I think this is a pretty new thing for Makeup Revolution, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I'm super excited to try these out in the bath. This is the strawberry bath fizzer. These also retail for £5, which is a bargain because you go to Lush and you spend like £6 most of the time on a bath bomb. So definitely check these out, and they're huge. Like, this is the size of my head. You don't need a bath bomb this size, so it would last you quite a long time. I could probably get about 3 uses out of this if I broke it up, so I'm super excited to try them out. I'll leave down in the description all the links to these if they're still available. They should be because they only launched on Wednesday, I think it was. So yeah, I'll definitely link everything down below for you guys to check out. If I'm not mistaken, these are like luxury palettes, so they do cost a little more, but look at the size of that. How huge. As you can see, they're really big. So I'm honestly obsessed. 21 shades, yeah. And the, what is this called? He's Her Lobster palette. Yeah, it's all like kind of warm tones, so if you love a good warm tone, then definitely check this out. They not only have mattes, they also have a few shimmers, which are unreal. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'll just do a few swatches. Yeah, they are unreal. Okay guys, so the next palette is the Take a Drive palette, Which, first of all, look at that packaging. How funky is that? I just got my swatches on that. But how funky is that part? And this also retails for £20. And the shade range is beautiful. These are more cool toned. Well, there's a few warm toned colours. It's quite a good combo. I think this will be a great palette for, hold on, let me take that off. I think this palette will be great for Christmas because you get a lot of shimmers and you get a lot of mattes as well, and they're like in between, so there's not too many warm and there's not too many cool. So I think that'll be great for Christmas. So that is that one, and then the last palette, which I think is my favourite, of course, the iconic door from Friends. This is called Open the Door, I think it's called. Open the Door, and as you can see, this is the most funky packaging ever. I'm also going to take the packaging off this. I've actually not used these palettes yet. Oh, you can see my chins. I've actually not used this palette yet. My dog is walking about in the background. That's probably what you can see in the back of the bed. But yeah, Open the Door looks kind of, I'll try not to blind you guys. Looks like this. I don't know if you guys can see the shades. This has to be my favourite. It's got like a load of pinks, golds, purples, all that jazz. Ignore the makeup and things in the middle. But there's nothing I can do. But I love that these luxury palettes have the mirror on it. So yeah, excuse me. This also retails for £20. I think this has to be my favourite just because of the colour scheme in it. So I think this is the palette we're going to be using today, guys. Last thing, I just want to say a huge thank you to Makeup Revolution for sending me out this package. I am a small content creator, YouTuber, things like that. So when this huge company reached out to me, I felt super blessed and was really excited. So yeah, I just want to say a huge thank you to Makeup Revolution for trusting in me with these products. I also forgot, actually, I also got the Forensics Revolution cup. It comes with a body scrub as well, so I'm super excited to try that in the shower. But I thought it was cute that you could reuse the cup that the body scrub came in. So yeah, that is a cool thing that Makeup Revolution did. I feel like this collection is just out of this world. Like, they already did the season 1, but series 2 is just my favourite. So yeah guys, if you want to see what look I create, I'm actually going to be using the Open the Door palette. So if you guys want to see what I create, then just keep on watching. I'm just going to go ahead and get started by using the shade Eggplant, which is like a super bright colour. I don't pink, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started with that. We're just going to go ahead and start packing this on the lid. These shades are super buttery, which I love a good buttery eyeshadow. And the fact that you can buy these in the drugstore is like, oh my god, insane. I feel like these palettes are great for a Christmas present. So if you know anyone that loves Friends, then I'm sure they would love this collection. So if you guys know anyone that loves Friends, then and they love makeup, they'll definitely love this collection because I am obsessed. Like, the shadows just blend so easy. Next, I'm going to be taking another brush. I'm going to take the shade I'm Fine, which is like a super light pink shade, which is this shade right here, and I'm just going to use that to buff out the neon shade, just so we get a seamless blend. because we don't like harsh lines in this house. I'm actually going to go ahead and take my concealer and cut the crease. Fun fact, my mum used to be obsessed with Friends. Like, they used to have all the box sets to Friends. So I think that's why I love this collection so much, because I used to watch it with her when I was younger. And it just brings back memories, so yeah. Let me know guys if you enjoy this little setup, because I was doing plain backgrounds, but I don't know if you guys enjoy seeing my bedroom more, because I'm not really shown what my bedroom looks like. So yeah, let me know if you guys enjoy this more or the backdrops. I take the Rachel, and I'm just going to be putting this on the crease. This is like a shimmer shade. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing here. Probably better using my finger, to be honest. I always feel like shimmers go on better with your finger, so I'm just going to take that on my finger. Yeah. In Nana's stuff, which is a super shimmery white shade, which is this shade here. It's like a silvery white, and I'm just going to pack this on my inner portion of the cut crease, just like so. Wow, it looks super neon on camera, but Frank Jr., and I'm going to take a little smudgy brush, run that. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Then I'm going to take the one where, am I going to take the one where? Yeah, the one where, which is like a brownie purple, and dip into that as well, and also follow that on the lash line. I'm going to go on the lower lash line and just repeat the shades using Eggplant, Frank Jr., and the one where. And yeah guys, that is the finished eye. Pretty much. I just need to add lashes and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead off camera and repeat these steps on this eye, and then I'll come back and we can do the lips and some highlight and blush. I'm actually going to use some of the eyeshadows as my blush and highlight. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead off camera and do that real quick. Okay guys, so I'm now going to go in and mix the shade Eggplant and I'm Fine, which is this shade right here, and the super bright pink that we used on the eyes. I'm just going to do a little blend of both and just apply that to the cheeks. Don't worry, it looks crazy right now. Also a little bit on the nose because I love blush on the nose. Then I'm going to take the huge fluffy brush just to buff it in, because these are eyeshadows, it's super pigmented, so we can go a little crazy and buff it in. Taking the shade Nana's stuff, which is the shade we used on the inner portion of the eyes, and I'm just going to quickly go over it with this brush because I feel like I have hairs on my face. And I'm just going to go in with a little eyeshadow brush because I have a feeling this is going to be super pigmented. So I'm just going to apply that on the cheeks, just like so. I hope you guys can see that, which is a super bright shade, as you can see. So these palettes are not only perfect for on the eyes, you can also use them on the skin too, which I love. So I'm also just going to take a little bit on my lip and on the nose slightly, above the temples, and yeah. As you can see, that is a super glowy highlight. Okay guys, so this is the pretty much completed look. I still need to do my lips. So what I want to do is, obviously I applied my lip mask, but I'm just going to do that again. This is honestly my favourite. Okay guys, so that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. It was super fun for me to do because I was testing out a new collection that is literally just released, and that was all thanks to Makeup Revolution. So a huge thank you to any of the team that's watching, I really appreciate it. And yeah, needless to say, we get the Open the Door palette and the lip mask because this is literally my favourite. So yeah, this palette was an absolute dream to work with. As you can see, the shadows are super pigmented and they blended out so freaking easy. Like you guys saw, it took me 5 minutes to do this whole eye look. So yeah, and the fact that these are £20 and you get 21 eyeshadows, that's less than £1 an eyeshadow. So this is a great investment. Great thing to purchase, especially for Christmas coming up, because everyone loves Friends. Like, come on, everybody loves Friends. And if you don't, then I'm sorry, but you can't be friends. I'm a poet and I didn't know it. No, but in all seriousness, this is going to be my new favourite, not just palettes, because the shadows are just so pigmented, they're so inexpensive, but the quality is there, which I love. So if you guys want to shop the Makeup Revolution X Friends Series 2, then I'll have all the links and things down below. Hopefully by the time this uploads, everything will still be in stock. Should be, because it's still the same week, but you never know, because the first series sold out super quickly, I couldn't even get my hands on it. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this little video, then comment down below what can the secret emoji be if we get to the end of the video. Comment the lobster if you guys reach the end of the video, so I know who stayed for the long run. That is a wrap on the Makeup Revolution X Friends Series 2 collection. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and also, if you can, share the video. I'm also going to be doing a few more looks over on my Instagram using the collection. So I hope everyone enjoyed this little tutorial. It was a super quick one, super easy, just to show you guys the new launch. And yeah, if you guys want to follow me on more of my makeup journey and things like that, I'll have my links down below or somewhere around the screen. And yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.